Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam, kif halek? So today we are at Rancho San Cristobal, which is your activity tour destination center in Cabo San Lucas. They've got everything going on here. Tours with horses, with camels, baby turtles, ATV, UTV. You can just try some nice quesadillas because they have an amazing lunch break, which no other tours in Los Cabos do offer that.
They include transportation. It will not be me driving, but
Yeah, thankfully, we have a few friends waiting for us here that also create content and do amazing things, and we're just so lucky to be in a beautiful community where people are open to working together. And so there they are. Yay! Hello! How are you? Wow, thank you so much for coming. So excited. Meet the crew. Batsy! So we're just doing the safety tour, getting the equipment on, the helmet, the whole jazz. It's really cool to be here. I feel like this is a dream come true because, you know, it takes something to make something like this happen, and it's just really beautiful when you see people come together for something and that you know, is something that they love. So, super excited. ¿Cómo estamos?
Todo bien, estamos
¿Cómo vas?
presente.
Eso.
Fotos. Pero
Hey.
todo ok.
Eso. Con eso ya estamos bien.
Ya.
People.
¿Qué onda, baby?
What are we doing?
Rancho, baby, rancho.
What are we doing? I love this dynamic of everyone taking content. It's just so really, this is really fun. No sé, como que that's super cool. Woo! Let's go.
Acérquense, por favor, para que todos vean por si más de la...
Good.
Leo.
Move over, Leo.
Move over, Leo. Yashana's driving.
Ready, girls?
I feel like Leo has no idea what's going on. He's like,
No.
No.
Where am I?
he has
Where am I?
he has no clue what's going on.
No, where am I, baby? Where am I?
Bunch of like trending content. It was so much fun. It's funny, you put a group of content creators together and no one has any ideas, and then we're just there.
Yeah, no.
we're just there like, what the f do we film, guys? There's a bunch of people with videos and cameras and no one knows what to film. It's hilarious. So if we're hiring a creative director, if you want to be a part of this and you know what videos to recreate, be a part of the team.
This was built by the... What did I say?
Honestly, like, I feel so happy right now because this is literally what I want to be doing, like bringing people together, creating content, helping brands grow, making campaigns, like being in a beautiful freaking place and being able to do this and do it with the collaboration of everyone else. It's just like, it's second to none, guys. So what do I want to say? Alright guys, so what happens at Rancho is that you get kissed by a camel. Now we're gonna go and meet baby Christopher. We've met him before. He's a good friend of ours. Sometimes he's not friendly, sometimes he is, depending on...
He's always friendly.
He's always, well, to you he's friendly, that's the thing. There he is! Hi Christopher! Hola bebecito! ¿Cómo se llama esa?
Se llama
Humer. Hola Humer. No sé si te conozco, pero... Hola. Humer. ¿No me quieres saludar? Qué mala onda, Humer. ¿Dónde está Christopher?
Christopher lo tenemos de aquel lado, amigo.
Ah, ese sí es mi amigo.
¿De qué lado lo tenemos? Que de
Ese
hecho
sí
ya,
lo conozco.
ya se ve. Ahí está Christopher.
Ay, Christopher. Mira. No. Ese es slower.
¿Quién más? Yeah?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let's go. Salam alaikum. Salam
Alaikum assalam, kif khalek. I'm actually Kurdish, so you know. He's excited. He's excited to see us. I know. So guys,
When you come to the camel, guys, this is how you ride it. In the right, you have the fuel, and on the left, you have the stop. Okay?
fuel and stop.
Things you need to know before camel riding.
Get to know because you need to know.
I don't want this.
Rancho San Cristobal, guys. So that's my baby coming up right here. I haven't seen her for a while, but I haven't been faithful, so she might get a little bit, she might be a little bit mad with me. Oh no, I can't even look at her right now. Hey babe.
Ella va a darte un besito.
Sí, yo también te extraño. Ay, chiquita, chiquita. So everyone gets kisses now on the same camel. This is so cute. ¿Cómo te sientes? Que se va a besar a otro.
No pasa nada.
No pasa nada, dice. Uy. Guys, we've just found a cactus that gives water. There's literally a tap on the cactus. Oh my god! No way. No,
It's a cactus that gives water. Look at that.
that's crazy. Why does it? How does it do that?
Well, nature made them things. Finds a way to give water to the.
Nature provides.
I mean, not that
Dios
much water,
provee.
but
This is my favorite part about coming to Rancho is the quesadillas, because no other tour activity in Los Cabos is gonna give you food.
barriga llena, corazón contento. Happy belly, full belly, happy heart.
That's the way, my friend.
Handmade tortillas.
Handmade tortillas. Mira
You want the
esto.
real Mexican food? If you have not tried it,
Eso.
You try it here
¿Cómo
at
te
Rancho.
llamas? Yarit. Mucho
Yari es la que
gusto.
hace las quesadillas.
Y lo hacen. Stay tuned for more of this because we are going global. We're here in Mexico. But if you want to take this crew to Thailand, to Bali, to Paris, to London, to New York, you know what to do. Comment the word LPYD in the comments and we're gonna get you. We're gonna hook you up. This is what it's all about.